itry natin itong halo-halo capital of the Philippines, ang Esperanza Sultan Kudarat. Imagine, galing pa to ng Timog, Quezon City. Buo pa rin siya, hindi pa rin siya natunaw. Ang layo pa ng pinanggalingan nito. From Timog, Quezon City, papunta dito sa Antipolo, Rizal. Ito yung kanilang Esperanza Especial halo-halo. Esperanza Especial is their ultimate signature halo-halo packed with premium ingredients and velvety leche flan. It's my first time to try this. Sarap. Tama-tama lang yung tamis niya. Hindi siya ganun katamis, very creamy. It brings the authentic flavors of Esperanza Sultan Kudarat, the halo-halo capital of the Philippines, to Manila. I-try naman natin itong kanilang Cornado Crunch. Cornado Crunch is a playful blend of creamy and crunchy textures, perfect for corn lovers. Ang sarap din. Very creamy siya and crunchy. I-try naman natin ngayon yung kanilang Saba Sorpresa. Saba Sorpresa is a comforting banana caramel delight that's rich and indulgent. They're a pickup and delivery only store located at Timog Avenue, Corner Scout Tuason, Quezon City. Very generous yung leche flan. Ang laki, isang buo. Sarap. Very creamy. Must try itong mga products nila kasi lahat masasarap. Kaya try nyo na rin.